Hello, today I'm going to share with you how to move the cannon and capture pieces with the cannon in the game of Xiangqi. Now, in terms of movement, the cannon functions very similarly, in fact the same as the rook. In this setup, the cannon is able to move horizontally any number of moves or vertically any number of moves as long as it's not obstructed by any other pieces. This is the same for the rook. Now in this setup, the cannon is actually free to move to 17 positions like so. This is all the possible spots that the cannon can move to, as it is unobstructed all the way. So let us look at how the cannon can move. So the cannon can move here, 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 the cannon can move here. So any number of moves as long as it is horizontal or vertical, just like the rook. However, the cannon is the only piece in the game of Xiangqi that has a different capture of pieces method. So the method of capturing pieces is not the same as the movement of its piece of the cannon. So this is something worth noting. So let us look at how the cannon is actually used to capture pieces on the chessboard. First, let us add in some pieces. So we can add in the rook, like so. So in order to make this game a realistic war game, so the cannon requires a cannon support, just like the artillery need to be placed on a boulder or shoot over a certain range for it to be realistic of a war game. So in Xiangqi, it is very interesting that the mechanics of how this actually works. So the cannon here, let's first look at the vertical position. So this next piece, which is this black cannon, is actually the support or the boulder for red's cannon. So this is called the support. So the cannon is going to fire over the support to hit the next target. So this is the piece that the cannon can capture. Note that there is no need to count the spaces in between the support nor from the support to the end piece being captured. So here there is two support move, and there is no support move here, but the cannon can capture the rook nevertheless. So in this setup, the support piece will be this. Note that the support piece can be different. It can be your own piece, it can be the enemy piece as well. It doesn't really matter. So the cannon is going to use the support piece and attack the very next piece. So in this case, the cannon is able to capture the horse. So to put that into action, the cannon is able to capture the rook. The cannon is able to capture the horse. Now, what happens if we add another piece to the game? Like so. So the cannon can only essentially jump over one support to capture the next piece. Right? So it cannot jump over the support to capture any number of pieces. So it is very important is to jump over the support to capture the next piece and the next piece only. So in this setup, the cannon still can only capture the horse. It cannot capture the rook, as this is the next piece. So it can only capture by jumping over the support to catch the next piece. Again, the gap does not matter. The gap does not matter. the support can be either yours, your own, or the enemy. It doesn't really matter as well. So if we look at the vertical position, this is again the support. So the cannon can jump over the support to capture the rook. It cannot jump over the support to capture the next piece. It cannot capture the cannon, for example. So let us look at more examples. So we have this setup. Let us add another piece. So we have this setup. So if we look at the vertical position, right? So the support piece will be this piece. So the cannon is going to be able to launch over the support piece to capture the next piece. In this case, is the horse. So the cannon can capture the horse. Now in the left horizontal position, this is going to be the support piece. The very next piece is the support piece. So the cannon can jump over the support piece to capture the next piece. So it is able to capture the cannon. It is unable to capture the rook, as that will be the next piece. In the final example, this for the right hand side motion, this is going to be the support piece. So the cannon can jump over the support piece to capture the next piece. So it can capture the cannon. So putting all that into perspective, the cannon can capture the horse. The cannon can capture the cannon. The cannon can capture this cannon. But the cannon may not capture this rook. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.